Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech AI, and in today's tutorial video I'll be showing you guys how to sign out on Google Bard AI. So let's get started. So guys, this is a very easy step. First of all, go on to your browser. I'll be using Chrome as my default browser. So let's open our website, Google Bard AI. So always remember that the first option is the one. Okay, I hope you guys don't get confused. So once you open this website, this interface will appear. So Gemini is our AI. So I've already logged into my account. So to sign out on your account, you just need to click on the top right corner. Here you can see it. Here is your uh, account information. So once you click on it, here you can see there is add account and a sign out option. So to sign out, just click on sign out. So this way you can sign out on your Google Bard AI. I hope you guys liked today's tutorial video. If so, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. See you guys in the next video. Until then, peace.